Hello, in this video we're gonna see directives vshow, v-once, and vpre. Vshow, show or hide an element. We're gonna see the difference between vshow and vif. Vif and vshow equal message. That means that the value of message is different than null or an empty string. On browser we can see messages hello world. We can see two p elements with inner text hello world. I'm gonna change the value of message vm.message equal empty string. Now there is only one p element. Vif remove the element. Vshow change the value of display to noun. This is the difference between vif and vshow. The argument of vshow is boolean. If vshow equal true, it displays the element. If vshow equal false, the display is none. Next we're gonna see the directive v-once. We use v-once when we don't want to update a variable. If I change the value of message, the text of element with directive v-once will not change. Values of variable in v-once are static. Last directive we're gonna see is vpre. Vue JS will ignore the element with directive vpre. On browser we see message between double curly braces because Vue JS ignored the element with the directive vpre. Directive v-once and vpre don't took an argument. We can write only v-once or only vpre. Remember, we use v-once if we don't want to update an element. We use vpre if we want to ignore an element. And we use vshow if we want to hide or to show an element. This is the end of this video. Take care.